Project Safety is a new, proactive, personal safety system like no other. Project Safety is a system and software that cleverly sends and receives data to and from the cloud instantly. This incredible system and software allows anyone to quickly and easily send an information trail of data, audio, and images to the cloud using their Android or Apple mobile device, tablet, or PC. Enter data and images are sent off device instantly to avoid loss of process integrity and to avoid confiscation by a predator. And an automated follow-up mechanism contacts chosen friends and family members when the system cannot confirm your safety. Thanks to today's 3G and 4G cellular networks and other wireless connectivity, Project Safety's Quick Send technology is now a reality. Never before has there been a more effective personal safety system. And now colleges and universities can make their campuses safer using available administrative functions like mass broadcasting. These and other functions can be utilized by big business, real estate companies, and even women's organizations all over the world. This technology can help prevent crimes and accidents on a larger scale by warning of impending dangers such as changing weather or uncontrolled violence. We've even incorporated a GPS tagging function that marks your location in an instant when you're traveling or in trouble. Project Safety has many useful functions that encompass every imaginable scenario in or out of the home and business. And though there are inexpensive and even free smartphone applications that will call 911 or some call center, you won't have time to activate them if confronted with a sudden accident or abduction. And they certainly don't provide you with any follow-up protection. Only Project Safety provides you with the proactive tools you need to feel safe. At Project Safety, we've covered all the bases.